If you need to upload a PDF document to ChatGPT, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to summarize a report, extract key points, ask questions about a contract, or turn a long PDF into something easier to understand, uploading your file into ChatGPT is one of the fastest ways to get help from AI. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or in the app on your device. Once you're on the main chat screen, look down near the message box where you normally type your prompts. On the left side of that message bar, you should see a paperclip icon. That paperclip is the Attach Files button, and that is what you'll use to upload your PDF. Click the paperclip icon and a file menu should appear. From there, choose Upload from Computer if your PDF is saved on your device. If your file is stored in a cloud service, you may also see an option to pick it from your drive or connected storage. Select the PDF file you want to use, then double-click it to attach it to your chat. Once the file is attached, you'll usually see it appear in the message area before you send anything. This is your chance to make sure you picked the correct PDF. If everything looks good, type a prompt telling ChatGPT what you want it to do with the document. For example, you can type, "Summarize this, explain the main points, pull out important dates," or compare the information in this PDF to another document. Then press Enter to send your request. After that, ChatGPT will read the PDF and begin responding based on the content inside it. You can ask follow-up questions, request a shorter summary, ask for bullet points, or even have it rewrite the information in a simpler way. This is especially useful for research papers, manuals, invoices, study notes, ebooks, and business documents. If your PDF is large or has lots of pages, it can help to be specific with your prompt. For example, instead of just saying "summarize this," try saying "summarize the first 5 pages," list the key action items, or explain this in plain English. The clearer your request, the better the response you'll usually get. And that's it. Uploading a PDF to ChatGPT is really that simple. Open the chat, click the paperclip, attach your PDF, type your prompt, and press Enter. Once you get used to it, you'll be able to work through documents much faster and save a ton of time. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.